I'm a plastic surgery specialist here at STAR, and the team I'm part of is fabulous. It's a family. Doctors, colleagues, friends. I'm proud and privileged to have a position here. The doctors at STAR Plastic Surgery are board-certified plastic surgeons, which means they have gone through a rigorous training program to get their credentials and to maintain their credentials. They go back on a yearly basis to make sure their skill set is up to par and exceeding. And so that's very important to me. I would never consider any surgery if the doctor wasn't board certified in the specialty that they were performing for me. So that's my number one. And I have to feel comfortable with the office, with the practice, with the personality of the doctor, because I'm building a relationship. Any patient would be building a relationship for at least a year. We want to monitor those patients' progress. We want to make sure they're happy and satisfied. So I need to know my doctor is very, very good at what he or she is doing. My first procedure was at 19. It was my nose. And I share this with patients, so I can share it. I was 19. The nose was the nose. I was a tall, skinny, geeky, thin, big-nosed, short-haired, nerdy girl. And I was shy. And I still am a little bit. Nobody believes that, but I am. And in the back of my head, that girl still is back there somewhere, but she's a long ago memory. And I know what people feel like. You know, some come just to maintain beauty. Some come because they're horrible and just need help. Some come because they've been through a situation. Everybody has a different story, and that's what I love about my job. The patients are real, and the results we give are real, and everybody's a little different. And I feel like I'm truly helping people. My friends ask me all the time, what is the secret? I'm very honest with them. I think they should do the research. I'm all about credentials. I need to see credentials. I need to know I'm in a safe environment. And I need to feel that I like the person who's going to be my doctor. I have to feel comfortable with them. And I like to see examples of success, because that just, perfection is my standard. And I know there's no guarantee in any surgery, any place, anywhere, anytime, but I think the chances of success and good outcome are best if my homework is done and if the doctor's homework is done. And I know they do it here at STAR. At STAR we offer a 2-for-1 advantage. Here's why it's important. Just about every procedure has a complement. When our physicians take a case, it's a whole package. It's not fixing one area. Everything's sort of kind of connected. So we want to give our patients the biggest value, the best end result. For example, a tummy tuck, a complement to that would be a little bit of liposuction, maybe one area, maybe 2, maybe 3, whatever. Everybody's different. So what their body is best suited for. I'm very happy to write off the least expensive procedure in any package I write. They're customized packages based on patients' needs and physique and doctor's recommendation. Basically, we want to address an area and make it as best as they could possibly. Every doctor at STAR Plastic Surgery is a board-certified plastic surgeon. And we have 3, 2 gentlemen and 1 female. So depending on a patient's preference, depending on their personality, my job is to kind of match a patient to the doctor that would be best suited for them. If they have a preference, obviously I'm going to make that happen. If they have no preference, I'll work on their time frame. I know that they will be pleased with the doctor's personality, and I know that the credentials of my doctors are stellar. It gives me joy and pleasure to help those folks in any little tiny bit way I can. But just to see the transformation, I'm a visual person, and to see that transformation in a person's body or in their carriage or in their stride or in their spirit is so gratifying. I don't do any of the hard work, it's all the doctors, but I have so much fun with my patients, and I have so much fun with this job. It is a family.